Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and replace the parasitic pulley on Hyundai iX35 2.0 CRDI. The parasitic pulley is located on the top of the engine. It's located right there, but in order to get access to it, first we're going to need to remove the serpentine belt. To remove the serpentine belt, we're going to remove this side cover. I'm also going to remove the engine under tray so that they have better view for the video. You might not have to remove the whole engine under tray. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the serpentine belt. To remove the serpentine belt, this is the tensioner right there. We need to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise, and it will loosen enough so that we can remove the serpentine belt. There's also a hole on the tensioner where we're going to put this pin on, so that it holds the tensioner in place while we remove the serpentine belt. This pin is going into two holes, one on the tensioner and the other one on the rear side of the tensioner, and that's how it holds the tensioner so that we can remove the serpentine belt. This is the parasitic pulley that we're going to be replacing. It's held by that one bolt right there. We need to loosen and remove that bolt and then take out the pulley. That's the parasitic pulley out. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. We're going to put on the new parasitic pulley, tighten the bolt, and then we're going to put the serpentine belt back on, and then we're done replacing the parasitic. I have a video on my channel of how to put on the serpentine belt and the routing of the serpentine belt. You'll find it on my channel. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this.